Hi. Welcome to New Tech. Today, you will learn about how to find stored Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 10 computer, to update your password or add another device. If you have a laptop, or tablet, or desktop computer connected to the internet with Wi-Fi, and you want to connect another device or computer to the same network, but if you have forgotten or you don't remember your Wi-Fi password, then this is the easiest tutorial to find that Wi-Fi password on PC running Windows 10, 8, or 7 operating system. By following a few simple steps, you will able to find your Wi-Fi password stored on your Windows 10 PC. Click the Start button. Type the word Run. Then click Run from the search result. Type ncpaa.cpl and click OK. Right-click on the Wi-Fi network which you're trying to locate the password, and select Status. In Wi-Fi status, select Wireless Properties. In Wireless Network Properties, select the Security tab. Then, next to Show Characters, click the small box to check it. The password you selected Wi-Fi network will be displayed in the Network Security key box. Okay. That's it for today. If you want more video then subscribe New Tech.